Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some really awesome coupon matchups that are going on at Family Dollar right now. Plus, make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I have two amazing 5 off $25 scenarios that you don't want to miss out on. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Family Dollar, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so when you're in the store, it is very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so for our first coupon that we're going to talk about, we have this awesome cereal deal. Now, this coupon we did receive a couple of weeks ago, but this is still available to clip to your accounts if you haven't clipped it already. So we have General Mills, Post, and Kellogg's cereals. This is on the regular sized boxes, and you can pick up 4, you can mix and match any way you want, and you're going to pay $6. Alright, next up, we have 50 cents off too for the Chex Mix or Bugles. So if you want to pick up 2 bags of the Bugles, those are priced at $1 each. Pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Alright, next up, we have a buy 2, get 1 free on the Cheez-It crackers. So these are priced at $2.45. Pick up a total of 3 boxes and you're going to pay $4.90. Next up, we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Mr. Clean products, and we have the 28 fluid ounce bottles of Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners. These are on sale 3 for $5.50 this week. So pick up a total of 3, use that coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 3 bottles. Next up, we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick scented oil products. So you can pick up one of these starter kits at $3.50. Use this coupon and that's going to leave you paying $2. Now you could also use this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick products on the Airwick plug-in warmers. Those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. And here we have a glitch. So this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick product is also working on the single Airwick oil refills. So those are priced at $1, found in their little dollar sections. Use this coupon and that's going to make it completely free. Now keep in mind that Family Dollar does not do overages, but it will make the item completely free. Now, the one in the pink packaging that y'all just saw was vanilla and papaya scent. The one that y'all see here in the blue packaging is fresh linen scent, and there may be others out there. Just make sure that you scan it in the app if you want to pick up a different scent, and make sure that that coupon does attach. Alright, next up we have $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Glade products. So if you want to pick up the Glade starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Now, this $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Glade products also works on the Glade plug-in warmers. Those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon's applied, that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze Unstoppables. Now, these are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Alright, next up, we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Craz-E First Aid products. So if you want to pick up the Craz-E Flex Fabric 30 count bandages, those are priced at $2.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. Now, this coupon also works on the Craz-E Gauze Medium Nonstick Pads 10 count. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Or you could also pick up the regular Craz-E Medium Gauze Pads 10 count at $1.75. Use this digital coupon and you're going to pay $1.25. Alright, now this Craz-E coupon also works on the Craz-E Flex Fabric Bandages 30 count that are priced at $1.25. Now these are a little bit different from the other ones that I just showed you all. The 30 count priced at $2.10. Those were different sizes, whereas this box for $1.25 are only one size and it only has one bandage pictured on the front of the box. So these are priced at $1.25. Use that 50 cent off 1 digital coupon and you're going to pay just 75 cents. Now, one more with this Craz-E coupon, you could also pick up the Craz-E Owl Bandages 20 count. Those are also priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Alright, next up, we have the Sparkle Pick a Size Spirited Prints Double Roll Paper Towels 6 count. These are priced at $7 each. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so pick up 2 of those and you're going to pay $11. Now, this deal gets even better because you can submit your receipt to Ibotta because we do have a $2 rebate back on the Sparkle paper towels. So you're going to get a total of $4 back. That's going to make your final price $7 for two, making those $3.50 each. Now, while we're on the topic of Ibotta, we also have a couple of buy one, get one free rebates on Ibotta for Family Dollar right now. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Nature's Bounty Jelly Bean vitamins, you're going to get back $14.99. You could also pick up the Trident Mega Sugar-Free Gum. Those are priced at $1.99, and you'll get $1.99 back when you purchase 2 at Family Dollar. Now, if you guys are not already signed up for Ibotta, I don't know what you're waiting on, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you, you don't need to wait any longer because Ibotta has been dropping some really amazing rebates here lately at Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, and Walgreens. So you guys do not want to miss out on these deals. And let me go ahead and tell y'all, I have saved thousands of dollars just with this one rebate app. So if you're not already, go ahead and sign up so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome deals. Now, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive some free, awesome welcome bonuses. All right, now back to our coupon matchups. We have this 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Bic stationery items. This works on the Bic round 10 count pens. These are priced at $1.75, so pick up 2. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl eye pencils, 2 count, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. All right, next up, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Creston Oral-B products. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B 2 count blast toothbrushes, these are priced at $3. Pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2, but you're getting a total of 4 toothbrushes. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon also works on the Oral-B Healthy Clean toothbrushes that are priced at $1. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, and you're going to get 2 completely free. Now, next up, we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Colgate 360 Soft Toothbrush, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. All right, moving right along, we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Colgate Kids toothpaste, these are priced at $1. After that coupon's applied, that is going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Caress products. So if you want to pick up the Caress Daily Silk Bar Soap 3 count, those are priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Now, this 1 off 1 digital coupon also works on the Caress Charcoal and Pink Lotus Body Wash. These are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. So y'all be on the lookout for these in your clearance section. All right, next up, we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove products. So we have the Dove Men Plus Care Bar Soap 3 count. These are priced at $4.60. After that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $3.10. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the 1 count Dove bar soap that are priced at $1. So pick up 1 of those, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Degree deodorants. So y'all can pick up the 1.7 ounce Degree men's deodorants. These are priced at $2.35. There are different ones that will work with this coupon, and after it's applied, you're going to pay $1.35. Now, this coupon also works on the women's Degree deodorant, 1.6 ounces, priced at $2.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Okay, next up, we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Suave products. Now, we have the Suave Men's Active Sport Deodorants. These are priced at $1.25. Pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, and you're going to pay 50 cents for 2. Now, this Suave coupon also works on the Suave Fresh Vibes Women's Deodorant. These are also priced at $1.25, so pick up 2 of these. Use that coupon. You're going to pay 50 cents for 2, and keep in mind, y'all can mix and match if you want. All right, so jumping right into our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, August the 6th at Family Dollar. So for this first deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each, 1 of the Colgate Kids toothpaste at $1, 2 of the Suave deodorants for $1.25 each, 1 of the Curad Band-Aids at $1.25, 1 Dove 1 count bar soap at $1, 1 of the Airwick 1 count oil refills at $1, 1 of the Glade warmers at $2.50, and 2 packs of the Sparkle 6 count paper towels at $7 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.25. And here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 2 Suave products, the 50 cent off 1 Craz-E product, the 150 off 1 Dove product, the 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 250 off 1 Glade warmer, and the 3 off 2 Sparkle paper towels. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons at $7.25 for 11 items. But this still gets even better because we have that Ibotta rebate on the Sparkle paper towels for $2 back. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get a total of $4 back. That's going to make your final price $3.25 for 11 items, making each one just 29 cents each. All right, now here is an alternative way that y'all can do this deal. You can pick up 4 of the regular sized boxes of cereals. You can choose from Kellogg's, General Mills, or Post cereal. Now, I'm going to go ahead and point out that the different brands are priced differently. So some are $3.50, some are $4, some are $3.85, some may be some different prices, but the lowest price was $3.50. So as long as you get the $3.50 or higher, you're going to be good to go, and your subtotal after coupons will still come out the same, okay? So don't worry about it. If you're picking up a $4 box, it's not going to make a difference in the end. So once you've picked up your 4 regular size boxes of cereal, go ahead and pick up 2 of the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each, 1 of the Colgate Kids toothpaste at $1, 2 of the Suave deodorants at $1.25 each, 1 of the Craz-E Band-Aids at $1.25, 1 of the Dove 1-count bar soaps for $1, 1 of the Airwick 1-count oil refills at $1, and 1 of the Glade warmers at $2.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.25. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 4 for $6 on the boxes of cereal digital coupon. Now, again, if you pick up 4 boxes that are priced at $3.50, that coupon is going to take off a total of $8. But if you pick up a $4 box or whatever it may be, it will take off the extra $1 and bring all 4 boxes of cereal down to $6. So, don't worry about it if you pick up the higher priced boxes of cereal. Then you're going to need that 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 2 Suave products, the 50 cent off 1 Craz-E product, the 150 off 1 Dove product, the 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 250 off 1 Glade warmer. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $2.25 for 13 items, making each one just 17 cents each. So basically, it's like you're going into Family Dollar, you're picking up a toothbrush and a box of those Band-Aids, and you're getting everything else completely free. How awesome is that? For all of that cereal plus all of those products, I think this is a fantastic deal and definitely one I will be doing on Saturday. Now, if you guys are looking for even more amazing deals, make sure that you go back and check out my Dollar General 5 off $25 scenarios video that I just uploaded earlier today. In that video, I have a total of 8 scenarios that y'all can do at Dollar General this Saturday. We have free items, we have overages, we have some amazing paper coupon deals, as well as instant savings and rebates. In that video, a total of 8 scenarios. 1 is a moneymaker. 1, I show y'all how to get $45 worth of items for completely free. So make sure that y'all go and check that out, and I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, after that, if you're still not sick of all of the amazing deals that are going on this week, make sure that you go back and check out my Walgreens video, because in that video, I showed you all 4 super simple and easy beginner-friendly transactions that y'all can do at Walgreens, where you can get some cheap items, some free items, and a really easy in-store money-making deal. So make sure that y'all go back and check out that one as well, and I will leave it linked in the pinned comment too. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.